All right, Isaiah got all the hoses stripped off the pump and got it rigged up. We're ready to pull this thing out of the hole, ain't we?
That's right, we are.
There you go. I found the problem. Problem is it completely stripped the splines out of this piece right here. So I don't know what caused this to fail. All this is like a spacer with a female coupler inside to connect the pumps together. That's all this is. But this axle lube pump turns freely, and the front Scavenge pump moves just fine too. It's not locked up. So I don't know why exactly this failed. I mean, you guys can make your own assumptions. But I'm not sure what caused this to shear because everything turns freely. So we've got a new pump ready to go right here. Showed up this morning. Oh, there you go. Plop.
We'll get a bolt in.
So now we're gonna dive into this PTO clutch Scavenge pump assembly deal right here. Uh-oh. Look how chewed up that is. It did not like heating that metal. Ouch. All right, ready to go back together. Put a new pump gear in here. Now we can put this guy on. This bad boy is good to go. We also installed new pump, the Scavenge pump inlet and outlet lines. Ta-da! Gotta love that. Well, we finally got the PTO and everything all back together. Let me tell you what, that's a job right there. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Maybe. Now we got to do front mount bolt things, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet on this front. I haven't figured out the magic secret to the left front yet. Going. My baby's in there now. It's going. Here we go. Patty, you gotta see this up close. You've been waiting for this.